This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Mazda CX-30 battery full guide. Park the vehicle on level ground, apply the parking brake, and disconnect the negative terminal first. Gather tools, wrench set, battery terminal puller, gloves, and eye protection. I will guide you through removal, inspection, and installation steps, including torque specs, safe lifting, and proper terminal cleaning. Follow each step slowly, ask questions in the comments, and keep a clean work area for safety. Before we begin removal, lay out all tools on a clean surface so nothing is left in the engine bay. Confirm the replacement battery matches group size and cold cranking amps required for your vehicle. Turn off all accessories and wait a few minutes for systems to power down. Protect painted surfaces from battery acid and avoid smoking or sparks near the battery area. Proceed methodically and keep bolts organized for reinstall. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear car guides. Quick recommendation: life is too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for long days under the hood. I place the link and other deals in the description so you can check them after the video. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Start by loosening the clamp and removing any plastic covers, then carefully lift the old battery straight out, avoiding tilting. Inspect the tray for rust and clean any corrosion from cable ends with a brush and baking soda solution. Place the new battery in the tray, secure the hole down, and reconnect the positive terminal first, then negative. Start the vehicle, monitor charging system behavior, and check for warning lights before finishing up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.